8mm wet room panel, walk-in panel. So just going to take you through the installation guide on this one. So you've got 4 points to check off. Check that you've got all the tools required. As with any of these installations, it's worth 2 people doing the installation just to reduce any chance of damage to the property installation site, or worse still, injuring yourself. So just walking you through the tools: drill bit, spirit level, silicone, pencil marking out, screwdriver, Allen keys, getting the set, also knife, and also you get this squidgy tool for guiding this steel. Once you've checked off that you've got all the tools required, check that the installation site is compatible. So I'll show you in the installation site to make sure that is compatible. It's worth noting at this stage that there is a table. It does show the X dimension on there as needing to be, so this is where the brace bar goes across, needing to be between 998 and just over a metre, 1008 millimetres. Although if you needed to reduce that, you can cut the brace bar where you needed it to be, and it's always going to be covered as long as you make a nice clean cut. That connection point that goes into the wall will cover up that cut, so there is a little bit more flexibility than what's offered in there, but obviously you can't make it longer. But we do sell a 1.2 metre brace bar option, so you can source the longer one. So just moving back to the checklist. So items 3 and 4, check that all the enclosure components are undamaged, and check that the installation kit is complete. So you've got assembly drawer in there, and also a checklist over on the next page, page 2, which details all of your kit contents. So check off once you're happy that you've got everything. You're about ready to carry on with the installation. What we'll do, so just guide you through the components. So that's the piece that fixes it to the wall. That's the seal that holds it in, also supported by the brace bar, and you get your fixings of the cap. And this is a spacer, so where needed, cut it off where required, but we'll show that in more detail in a later step. Just before I move on, the fixing supplies, so these are designed for solid walls. So if you're going into any other wall medium, have a chat with your hardware specialist and see which fixing is going to be most appropriate, but solid walls only. So I'll stop the video now and I'll walk you through the compatibility in the next video.